Hi, welcome back guys. Today I'm finally sharing with you those 3 websites that you guys have been asking for. These 3 websites should be used by each and every programmer regardless of your level. Before I start, make sure not to skip any portion of the video, otherwise you will miss up on some very important points. With that said, let's get started. So the first website on the list is sandfoundry.com. This site basically provides you tons of objective type questions concerning various sub-engineering faculties, so programming is one of them. As you can see on the screen that there are a number of categories, and under each section we can see different subjects MCQs. So on the first section called interview preparation, you will only find out programming MCQs for each language. So suppose I want to practice with Python MCQs, simply just click on it. This will open up a new window containing thousands of MCQs, Python MCQs. If you have a doubt in any problem, you always have the option to check out the correct answer. Right? Now, let's have a slight view at MCQs of C++ as well. Let me go back, and from this list I'm going to choose C++ MCQs. And now it's going to open up C++ MCQs, right? So you guys can check out this list. All of these MCQs are of C++. Did you see that? How helpful it could be for a programmer. So let me show you some more MCQs for you. Let me go back and scroll down the main page right up here, and as you scroll down you will notice another category known as programming and IT MCQs. This also has some common languages such as C# MCQs, Java MCQs, JavaScript MCQs, and so on. You may explore this yourself. So now let's get to the second website on the list, which is known as DevDocs.io. DevDocs.io. This website is basically a hub of documentation for each and every language that you are learning. As you can see on the left side, tons of languages are being presented. Choose any. Suppose I would like to go for Python, right? So let me choose Python from this given list. Now select your installed version. Suppose I've installed Python 3.9. So now as you can see that I've got the entire documentation. Now this documentation is in a sequence, probably sorted by chapters or topics. You can always search for a specific topic by using the search bar given on the top left. So suppose I want to search for functions in Python, simply type functions and choose the one with Python logo. Now just have a look at it. This is all about functions in Python. There are given some built-in functions, their syntax, some program examples, so you must explore it yourself. Now this will help you resolve any matter in any language that you are learning. The last one on the list is Geeks for Geeks.org. This is many in one website. That means it is a collection of different programming courses, tutorials, and exercises. Now let's select a specific language from the top bar. I'm choosing Python for now. On the left side, there is a list of chapters you can choose from, right? So suppose I want to learn about file handling. So let me click on it, right? And now I want to learn how to open a file in Python. So did you see that? It opens a new page and it's all about how to open a file in Python, and there are some basic functions associated with opening a file, some built-in functions, and the syntax to open a file, and also some program examples. And at the bottom of this page, there are also some recommended articles. You must check them out as well. Hey, listen up! Explore all these provided websites yourself so that it could be more helpful for you. Have you any questions? Ask me in comments. That was all for now. I'll catch you guys next time.